Are there intelligent races in the universe outside the Earth?
There are two conflicting answers. First, the Drake equation in 1961, which is a probabilistic equation used to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. It was launched by astronomer Dr. Frank Drake. Drake says that if we look at the number of stars in the galaxy, then at the number of planets around any stars, then at the possibility of the emergence of life, and also the emergence of the possibility of evolving, and if the possibility of becoming intelligent and technologically advanced, and if it became technological, did it continue or did it destroy itself, etc. If we consider all of these possibilities, we see that we have very huge numbers, and it is estimated that the number of planets similar to ours in our galaxy is about 10 billion planets. And if life appears and develops in our galaxy, it is expected to be more advanced than us. Why? Because the age of the galaxy is about 10 to 12 billion years, and the age of the Earth is 4.5 billion years, meaning there are many planets and stars that appeared millions of years before our planet. But it is not that simple. There is another opinion of biologists that excludes the Drake equation and said that it is very difficult and very complex leaps that cannot always happen, but very rarely. So, in their opinion, the possibility of intelligent life in space is unlikely and unknown. In 1966, the astronomer Carl Sagan said that there are two conditions for the existence of life on any planet. The first condition, the presence of a star at the appropriate type, and the second condition, the presence of a planet at the appropriate distance from that star. Of the octillion, which means one with 24 zeros, planet in the universe, one septillion, which means one with 20 zeros, is habitable on its surface. With such a large number, scientists were optimistic about the existence of intelligent life. The so-called SETI project is an ambitious project that was launched in the 60s, and they were waiting for a conclusion with a huge network of telescopes. But the silence of the universe was deep. Until today, researchers have not found any indication of life in the universe. As the knowledge of the universe progressed, it became quite clear that the existence of simple life as well as intelligent life required much more than what Carl Sagan assumed. The conditions are now over 50, which means that the number of potentially habitable planets has been drastically reduced to several thousands. That became a problem. In the same vein, Peter Schenkel wrote in 2006 in the Skeptical Inquirer, which is an advocacy magazine for atheism, quote, "In light of new information and discoveries, we must calmly admit that previous estimates can no longer be adhered to," end quote. Today, scientists are talking about 200 necessary criteria for the existence of life on any planet, and about the necessity of having physical constants such as those in our system. Otherwise, the whole system of life would collapse. In addition to other necessary factors, its existence would have been the target of these crimes, and life would have disappeared on its surface. Let's talk about the Fermi paradox. The Fermi paradox takes its name from Nobel Prize winning physicist Enrico Fermi. The Fermi paradox seeks to answer the question of where the aliens are. It's the conflict between the lack of clear, obvious evidence for extraterrestrial life and various high estimates for their existence. As 2015 article put it, if life is so easy, someone from somewhere must have come calling by now. The Fermi paradox refers to the dichotomy between the high probability that extraterrestrial intelligence exists and the fact that we have no evidence for such aliens. Where are the aliens? Fermi wonders. He says if they exist, they would conquer the entire galaxy. What does their disappearance mean? Or aliens did not develop to a sane level, or they developed and then destroyed themselves. Since an extraterrestrial civilization can roam the whole galaxy in a relatively short time, how did we not see it, and how did we not get any indication from it? The answer is that it does not exist. Another answer is that the time required for the invasion could be as old as the galaxy, so our solar system has not yet reached its turn.